This video is a tutorial on how to use the 8-channel 16A relay switch module. This demo setup includes our system power module, the IoT smart gateway, and the 8-channel 16A relay switch module. First, we need to set the DIP switches on the relay module. We set the device ID to ID3 by switching on DIP 1 and DIP 2. After the DIP switches are set, we use our bus connector to connect all the devices together. The Internet port of the gateway is directly connected to the computer using a network cable. Double-click to run our editor software. After opening the editor, we create a new project and name it Test. We search for the gateway. After the gateway is found, we connect it to it. Then this is the system environment we have set up, the gateway and the 8-channel 16A relay switch module. You can double-click to add the devices, or click the icon in the top right corner to add all the devices at once. Next, we create new control points. Left-click on this address. Then double-click to add all the device port information. Now we can start creating scenes. For example, we create an all-on scene. We take the control points we just created and add them to the scene. This is an all-on scene, so the action is set to on. You can double-click to add the other circuits as well. Then we create another scene called All Off. Select the off action for this scene. Now we have created both the all-on and all-off scenes. Next, we compile the project and upload it to the gateway. After that, we can use the editor to trigger our scene operations. All on. All off.